At the restaurant, choosing a table and ordering. Sam, this place looks nice. I like the big windows.
Yeah, it feels comfortable, and it's not too crowded.
That's a good sign. I'm really hungry, though.
You said that about 10 minutes ago.
I know, but now I'm really hungry.
Okay, let's find a table.
How about that one near the window?
Perfect. You can sit there.
Thank you. I always like sitting near a window. It makes the meal more relaxing.
Same here. So what are you thinking about ordering?
I'm not sure yet. There are so many things on the menu.
Take your time.
I'm looking at the chicken sandwich. It sounds good.
I might get the pasta.
What kind?
The chicken pasta with tomato sauce.
That sounds good too.
You can try some of mine if you want.
Really?
Sure.
Then I might order something different.
Good idea.
Let me see. What does grilled mean again?
Grilled means cooked over direct heat, usually on a grill.
Right. So grilled chicken is chicken cooked on a grill.
Exactly.
And what does side mean on a menu?
A side is a smaller dish that comes with your main meal. For example, fries or a salad can be a side.
Oh, got it. So I can say, can I get fries as a side?
Yes, that sounds natural.
Nice. I think I'll get the grilled chicken with fries.
Good choice.
Wait, I see something else. The soup sounds amazing.
You were hungry 5 minutes ago. Now you want soup too.
I'm planning ahead.
Planning ahead?
Yes, I'm planning to enjoy my dinner.
Fair enough.
Do you think the soup is enough for one person?
Probably. You could ask if it comes with bread.
Good idea.
A useful expression is, does it come with?
Does it come with bread?
Exactly.
And if I want something extra, I can say, can I get some extra bread?
Right.
Okay, I'm ready.
Already?
Yes, I've made 3 important decisions.
Let me guess. Chicken, fries, and soup.
Exactly.
And I'll have the pasta.
What about a drink?
I'll just have water.
Same for me. I don't want a soda today.
Good. We can keep it simple.
There's one more thing. I don't eat very spicy food.
Then you should ask about the sauce.
How can I ask?
You can say, is this spicy?
Easy.
Or, could you make it less spicy?
That's useful.
You can use could you when you want to make a polite request.
So I can say, could you make the chicken less spicy?
Yes.
Great. I think I'm ready now.
Finally.
Hey, I need time to make important food decisions.
I understand.
Good. Let's order. Checking the bill and paying. Mike, excuse me, could I get the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Thanks.
Here you go. Take your time.
Thank you. Let me check the bill.
Sure.
Mike, could you help me with something?
Of course. What's wrong?
I think there may be a mistake on the bill.
Oh, really? Let me take a look.
We ordered extra bread, but I thought it was included with the meal.
Let me check that for you.
Sure.
You're right. The bread should not have been charged separately.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry about that. I'll remove the charge.
No problem. Thanks for checking.
You're welcome.
Could you explain this other charge?
That's the extra vegetables you ordered with the pasta.
Oh, I see. I forgot about that.
No worries.
So everything is correct now?
Yes, I've removed the bread charge.
Great. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure.
The food was really good, by the way.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I especially liked the pasta.
That's one of our most popular dishes.
I can see why.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Sure, you can use the card machine right here.
Okay.
Just tap your card when you're ready.
Done.
Great, the payment went through.
Perfect.
Would you like to add a tip?
Yes, please. The service was great.
Thank you, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nope, that's everything.
All right, thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Mike. We had a great time.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'll definitely come back.
We'll be happy to have you.
Have a good evening.